See, today, first of all, the intervention application has been dismissed, and then thereafter the matter was fixed for arguments on his bail application at 4 o'clock today. Now, the bail application has been argued, and the matter is kept for orders tomorrow, along with a so-called notice to the IO to remain present in the, because I have pressed that how could the IO actually arrest in violation of the Supreme Court guidelines. So this is basically my grounds of arguments, other than the merits of the case.
So you did not go on the merit of the case?
Yes,
Why?
because see what happens is when you don't have the powers to arrest, how can you arrest? So why should I touch the merits of the case?
You rightly raised one issue that application means complaint was filed 1 year back. So
Complaint is filed.
1 year back.
No. Complaint is filed now of an incident which had happened 1 year back.
Okay, it is
So
right.
there was no pressing urgency for him to be arrested, right?
Okay.
Everything was available with you. You waited for 1 year, and thereafter you go and arrest him abruptly.
Okay.
And that too in violation of the Supreme Court guidelines. SOPs are there. Supreme Court has come up heavily on the state government to say that you can't arrest, and moreover, violating of those orders is entitling the accused to be granted bail. So having said that, he in the first place shouldn't have been arrested.
मजगती कोर्टान ह्या प्रकरणात हळदोणच्या मतदारांन घाल्ली हस्तक्षेप याचिका भायर मारली.
Mamsa JMFC Court has reserved order on the bail application of accused Ukesh Rota for Thursday morning. During the arguments on Wednesday, the Defence Counsel contended that investigation officer has not followed the guidelines of Supreme Court to serve the accused notice under Section 41A because all the sections put up or slapped against the accused. Opposing the bail application, the public prosecutor contended that the mobile phone of the accused has been sent for FSL Verna for retrieval of the data, and at least till the deleted data is not retrieved, he should not be granted bail. The JMFC Court, after hearing arguments of both the sides, has reserved the order for Thursday morning. With Saurabh, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.